Hi, welcome to the Java Core Learning course by Example. And today is the day 17. I would like to talk about the way to read the data input from the console in Java. Okay, so here we have a lot of way, and in this demonstration I will show you how to use the scanner and the second using the buffer reader class in Java. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Eclipse. Okay, cool. So here I will create a new class inside the main package, and I will name it either read data from console. Okay, so and I will go ahead to create a main method. Click finish button to create the class file. Okay, here. So I will demo the first one by using the scanner class. Copy this one. Okay. So here, in order to using the scanner, we have to import the library with support for scanner. Import those until those scanner. So here, here. So after that, we have to print out the message. Quick let the user input the text from the keyboard. Okay, try to run this. Hello everyone, my name Chien. Great to be miss you. Enter. Yeah. So here you can see after you enter the the text message from the keyboard and you hit enter button, it will print out the is here for you. Okay, cool. Run it again. Hey guy. Yeah. So here the message is hey guy. Cool. Okay. So now I will show you the second way. We are using the buffer reader in class in Java. So here I will comment out this one. Yeah. So for this one, we are going to using the buffer reader, and in order to use the buffer reader, we have to import the Java IO, okay, library on the top of the class. Buffer reader. So here I will also import Java those IO those IO exception. IO exception. Import Java those IO those input searching radar. Okay, cool. Buffer radar radar equal new the news input searching radar system dot in. Yeah. So here you can see we this one is the you can see we have the error message. So we have to fix it. Okay, buffer reader new buffer reader and new input stream reader system dot in. Okay, here. Cool. Each display the okay. Give it. So here I will create a new string. String. No, no need. Just print it out. I will system those out print line. I will have a reader dot read line. Cool. Let me see what happened here. Okay, so you can see when you hover to the reader dot red line here, it will display the unhandled exception type of IO exception. Okay, because when you read the data from buffer reader, maybe sometimes we have some the issue with the input and output, so we have to handle this issue by using the IO exception library. And here we have two ways. The first way you can through exception here, through IO exception here, and it worked for now. And I will try to run it. A B C here. So it print out ABC. Okay, here, so I think I have to print out the message first. Okay, copy this one. Run it again. Enter the text from keyboard. Chiến Vũ Hoàng hay Lô Nguồn. Here. Cool. So here it seems work fine. Okay, we have another way. Instead of through the IO exception, here I will remove it. So here I will use the child case uh, to handle it. Run it again. ABC here. Print out the ABC. Okay. So I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to read the data from input console and display it in the console window in Java. We have two ways. I mean, we have many ways here, but in this video, I show the demonstration for two ways using the scanner class and the second way using a buffer reader in class. And I prefer using the scanner class when you are using in the application. Okay, so I hope this video will have fun for you and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.